Alright, it's my presentation on solving other people's problems. Part 2, Unit 2, Riley. To frame the situation, Riley is a 16-year-old girl in high school who struggles with eating meals, drinking enough water, or getting enough sleep, which is causing her to be more stressed, and she needs to improve time management. Observe the challenge. Riley faces challenges such as stress, time management, staying hydrated, eating enough food, eating healthy food, long study hours, lack of sleep, and social media distractions. Her commitment to the debate team, although not a bad thing, is also contributing to her stress. To categorize the issue, Riley faces challenges in hydration, nutrition, sleep, and ergonomics. She doesn't drink enough water, skips meals, and relies on unhealthy snacks. Her late night screen time and stress affect her sleep, while long, uninterrupted study sessions cause physical strain. These issues impact her overall well-being, requiring better habits in health, time management, and digital wellness. Understand the priorities. Riley's most urgent problem is her lack of sleep, which is probably most related to her stress levels. Then comes her lack of nutrition. This is very important. Skipping meals like she does is not sustainable. And finally comes her inability to hydrate. Select one problem/challenge. The issue I'm choosing to focus on is her lack of sleep. I'm choosing this issue because sleeping is shown to directly affect her mood, energy, and stress levels. My goal for Riley is to get her into a consistent sleep schedule, allowing her to get at least 8 hours of sleep. A specific action I want her to take is to be off her phone an hour to 30 minutes before bed. Measurable. I will track my student's progress, how much sleep she gets. We could also check on her screen time reports and monitor the time she gets on her phone and check in on her mood. Stepping stones we could take would be that by week 1, she is off her phone 15 minutes before bed. Week 2, 30 minutes. Week 3, a full hour. And by week 4, she consistently gets 8 hours of sleep. I see ultimate success as her getting the proper amount of sleep every night. Achievable. Yes, this goal is achievable, given the time frame and circumstances. Her main challenge seems to be getting off her phone before bed, which is something we can control. So, because the main issue is something we can control, I believe my goal is achievable. Relevant. This goal addresses Riley's struggles to get the proper amount of sleep by limiting her screen time before going to sleep. Studies show that being on screens before bed can greatly affect your sleep in a negative way. Timeline. In week 1, I believe Riley's reduces screen times by 15 minutes before bed. Month 1, she increases screen-free time to 30 to 60 minutes before bed, resulting in better quality of sleep. 6 months, limiting screen use before bed becomes a habit, improving her sleep, focus, and reduced stress. Year 1, Riley maintains a healthy sleep routine, feels more in control of her schedule, and benefits from improved well-being, academics, and energy levels. Conclusion. Riley is going to live her best life with improved sleep. She'll wake up feeling refreshed and energized, with more focus and less stress. She will perform better in school and extracurricular activities, and she'll have more control over her schedule and well-being. That was my presentation. Oh.